Hi everybody, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I am Kayla Logan, and if this is your first time here, I'm going to explain what's going on. And for the people who are going to watch over this video and decide whether I get monetized or not, I am not naked. This is a nude bra I'm wearing and underwear. Whew, that is a mouthful. You know how people come on here and they look so eloquent when they talk? That is not me, I'm already out of breath. But today we are doing a no shame try on haul. What does that mean? That means there's no shame in how I get the clothes on. I want to show you exactly how things fit, how long it took me to get things on. That's my puppy running back and forth. And we're just gonna show you the actual real process of these clothing. Because I see YouTubers all the time come on here and they look fabulous in these garments and these swimsuits. And I'm like, okay, did that take you an hour to get on in the background? Another thing is, you are gonna have to bear with me today. I have burnt my hand this morning. I was curling my hair and I went to go grab the wand on the wrong side and I grabbed the iron side. So it is burning so bad right now that I thought I wasn't gonna be able to work today, but we've got some numbing agents on it, so bear with me. Today we have a try on haul from Curvology, which is a plus size boutique, and they offer everything from clothing to lingerie now. We have some amazing pieces. I have one full outfit, which is like a dress set with a beautiful sweater. I have not tried on any of these pieces yet, so this is the first time we're going to experience the clothes together. This hopefully will not be an edited video. I do have some shapewear they sent over, so I don't know how much I can personally show if I have to take off certain garments on here, but normally this is a very like unfiltered experience. And then we also have some lingerie sets because you know it is Valentine's Day. Now I also don't have a mirror in front of me, so me and you are going to experience everything together. We are in this together. So I thought we'd start off with some of the shapewear. Now I have not worn shapewear in many years. This is a high-waisted control top thong, I believe. It is in a 2X, which I am a size 20. I'm 5'3", if that helps you, if you need to know for like your measurements. The inside, fucking burn. The inside has this elastic on it. Now I am concerned because a lot of the times I do wear a 3X on the bottom, but when I sent the company my sizing, I did say I was a 2X. Let's try this. Let's see if we can get it on. Another thing to note is I do have back problems, so I may have to take a break while doing this. But let's see how this shapewear actually fits. Let me get back here so you can actually see. I'm gonna do it over top of my underwear. Oh yeah, I remember what shapewear was like. It's like, it looks like doll clothing, and you're like, that's never gonna fit my body. But it does, and it just sucks in. Squeezes every part of your being. Okay, I'm actually shocked. I thought this was not gonna fit. Like when I looked at it, I was like, I'm gonna have to message this company. I'm out of breath. This company and tell them it's not gonna fit. Oh, it goes really high. Like this isn't just high, okay. Okay, sorry, I caught a whiff. I'm wearing natural deodorant. I'm testing out some natural deodorants that aren't working so well, so I'm just like, whoa. Wow. Dude, it's happened to you too. When you put on shapewear, you're like, okay, get that bad boy up. It is all the way up. See, it's a thong. Can you see it? But I have my underwear on. So it is a thong, which is nice. Now I do have large hips, so I'm finding that there is spillage over here, even if I did take my underwear off. So for me personally, when I used to wear shapewear, I was more into the longer shapewear that went to my knees. So that way I'd have the curves going all the way down, because I do find that my fat pockets are hanging out a bit. But you know, if you're just wanting that control top, it seems to be smoothing it down quite a bit. Let's see if I bend over. I saw this on what's her name? She's the founder of Mega Babe, Katie Sturino, I think it is, but she did this roll test and to see if the underwear or anything would roll over, and that was like the test to see if it was amazing for plus size people. Okay, no roll. No roll. Okay, and then let's see, we have some other items here. So they sent me this beautiful lace bralette, and we're gonna try that on as well. It does have the cups in it, really beautiful lace pattern. I find finding bralettes for plus size can be challenging, especially with a proper fit and hold. Oh, and I'm gonna take off my bra once I get it on, but for YouTube's purposes, hello, this is sexy and her shapewear. For YouTube's purposes, I don't want to take off my bra because I don't want to get in trouble. Oh, she's really pretty, and it has adjustable straps in the back. Actually, I guess I can leave both bras on. Hello, hello, hi. Do any of you guys do that when you're at home? You're just like, oh, look at her. You should always be your own hype woman. You should always be hyping yourself up. Like, I don't need the world to tell me I'm beautiful. I want to look at myself and be like, you're a bad bitch. I love you, look at that ass. Anyways, so I do find the lace bra fits nicely. Let's try to take off my bra underneath. This is an old soccer trick. I used to play very competitive soccer and I'd have to get changed in a lot of weird places. I also have to modeling. Okay. Wow. Especially if I do this up. I mean, it's not a ton of support, but you're not gonna get that from a bralette anyways. But look at that, and this is the back on it, and see? Look at the girls, they are here to play. Okay, I have a next item. You know what, since we're doing lingerie first, let's do the lingerie and then we'll save. They have a really pretty dress they sent me. It's over here. I know I'm not being a fancy blogger that has like the rack behind me and the mirror, but we are in lockdown. I'm living with my parents. It is all very glamorous. But they sent this really beautiful piece of lingerie and it has a matching thong with it. So I think we're gonna try that on next. Let's do the real test with the shapewear. Let's try to get it off. Oh man, I was so nervous to try shapewear on camera because like I want to keep it really real and authentic, but you also don't want to like offend anyone, like the companies. And I remember before just struggling so much. And this honestly isn't as bad as I thought it would be. It's coming off, it came off really easily. Now the trick is, if you have to use the restroom wearing shapewear, don't take it off. Just move it to the side. That's what I do. Just move it to the side. If you have to use the washer. Okay, I'm gonna keep my bra and underwear on for this because I don't think Instagram or sorry, YouTube would be very happy if I took it off. This has some beautiful lace detailing on it. It's like it's a purple sparkly garment. She's very sexy, just in time for Valentine's Day. She does have, oh my gosh, girl. Hi. She does have straps, which I like. Adjustable straps on the back. Look at the detailing on the back. How pretty is this? Now remember, you're probably not gonna be wearing a bra underneath. I wanna come up close for this. Look at the lace detailing here. How beautiful is it? And now you can see the purple shimmer on it. You can see the detailing, has that empire waistline, which I don't like to say things like, oh, this is very flattering, because I feel like your body is beautiful exactly how it is. But if you like that kind of empire waistline, that, what's that word I'm thinking? See, this is what sucks when you're not editing it. You want to sound so smart and articulate, but sometimes you just can't get those words. The hourglass shape. If you want that hourglass shape, this draws your attention to the smallest part of the body and really gives it to you. Now they sent this little G-string here that matches it, so we're gonna try it on. This is in the 2X. We're in the 2X for both of these, which is great. I think I could even really size down in the top, but it's gonna come down to the bottom, right? Okay, so I have my underwear on. This is how it goes up. Not bad at all. Okay, actually the 2X is great. I thought it would cut into me a lot more on the bottoms, and that's not the case at all. And if you want to make it like real sexy like the Instagram models, you just pull it up like this. Here, let me pose for my thumbnail right now. And this is the piece, wow. Wow, this is really nice. Look at the back on it. Hello, your girl is ready. She is ready. Okay, so we have one more shapewear piece to try on, and then I have the dress, which I'm super excited for. Like, I even brought matching boots down to share with you. Okay, what's really nice about this piece is there's a lot of elastic to it. There's a lot of movement to it, which that's not always the case with these pieces. In fact, it's never the case. So this is really nice, the stretch that it has. Thong, super easy to get off. So this is all great for quick access. So you know that's why you're buying it. It's my mom's kitchen. I literally just fling it onto her stove. Imagine like cooking dinner with just like a thong showing there. You're welcome. Okay, so let's get on this last item we have, which is the high waist control top. Instead of the thong, this is the full bottom, which I'm more of a full bottom type of gal. You can see it right here. It's perfect, right? Okay, let's do this again. Let's get her going, which I'm sure it's by the same company too. I'm taking it and I'm pulling up. You got some strength. Sorry, I'm feeling loud. Gotta get some strength into there, you know? Slide it on. So good. Take a moment. Take a moment. I am liking the full butt a lot better. A lot better. But that's just my preference. I don't wear thongs a lot either. Really good. I usually bring this as high up. That's my bra line, so that way there's no spillage. Shapewear is no joke. It is no joke. I don't think I've ever seen shapewear turned on like this. She is in. She is in. Okay, yeah. I like the full booty better for me personally. There we go. Legitimately need a break. I can feel like the boob sweat happening. Okay, so this is it. There's a slight bit of spillage, but not as bad as with the thong one because it's going down further on me, which I would prefer. Yeah, this is a great piece. I mean, that's if you're into shapewear. If that's it for you and it supports your body and it makes you feel beautiful, then you do what makes you feel amazing. Do you know what I mean? If it's not wearing shapewear, I don't push that. This boutique has plenty of different options. I think it's also important to say this isn't sponsored. I'm not being paid for this. It was gifted to me, and I do love, I believe it's a plus size woman who owns it too. I do love supporting smaller boutiques, which we don't always get to do. But we have the outfit. The outfit you have all been waiting for. This dress is amazing. Amazing. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you it. Okay, here we go. It is smocked on the top. And what does smocked mean? It's like an elastic fabric. It's not elastic, but there's a lot of movement for you if you have a bigger chest, if you're worried about losing and gaining weight. It does tie up here. Oh, I'm really excited for this moment that's about to happen. This is in the 2X. It has a nice weight to it. Look at it. It's moving a lot already. It has kind of a balloon arm to it. How are we looking? Oh my God, she's so cute. Easy to get on. Super easy to get on. Oh, the arms. Okay, I've never seen this in a dress before. The arms are smocked as well right here. So sometimes plus people have a problem with having larger arms here. I do, but it's smocked. And what's nice about it is it's creating this beautiful shape, and then you're getting that balloon arm here. This is gorgeous. And hold on, I have more to add to it. I really love the neckline on it here. It's almost like a faux turtleneck, but I feel like it creates some interest to it. I would probably layer some like dainty gold necklaces with it. I love a good bold hoop too. And then, you know, kind of like throw on your rings, like real boho. Oh my God, I do a wide brim hat. I'm feeling this. Okay, hold on. Now, if you want to create some dimension and you want to show that you have more of a shape, more of that hourglass, they said this beautiful belt as well. So we're just gonna throw that on. Remember, we are all in this together. I haven't tried on any of this. So okay. This goes through the front here. Then we're gonna find the slot we wanna put it on. Okay, look at the dimension that's already happening in my body right now. Hold on a second. Look at the shape. It's already creating a shape. And then they said this amazing sweater. Look at this. This is like, they styled this perfectly. It's an oversized knit sweater. Look at her. And it buttons up perfectly, so this is great with jeans as well. What I love about this too is I could throw on a little turtleneck, tuck it in, a sweater, tuck it in, and you can make this look like a, sorry, we had a little turned off there for a second. There is a lot of room to move in this, which is perfect. And that is it for today's try and haul. Thank you so much for tuning in. The links to the website will be below. Hit that button, subscribe, like, comment, and we will see you again. I love you. Bye.